Did the Geneva Conventions change after World War II? Recent discussions have sparked interest in the Geneva Conventions and their evolution after World War II. Many people are curious about how these international laws were shaped by the events of that era. Understanding these changes is essential, especially as conflicts continue to affect civilians globally. Before World War II, the main focus of the Geneva Conventions was on the treatment of prisoners of war. The 1929 Convention relative to the treatment of prisoners of war was the key document at that time. However, the widespread violations during the war highlighted the need for more comprehensive protections. In 1949, significant revisions took place. For updated Geneva Conventions were adopted to address these shortcomings. The first Geneva Convention focused on the protection of wounded and sick soldiers on land during war. The Second Geneva Convention expanded this protection to wounded, sick, and shipwrecked military personnel at sea. The Third Geneva Convention provided detailed provisions for the humane treatment of prisoners of war. This was a crucial step in ensuring that all captured individuals were treated with dignity. The Fourth Geneva Convention marked a major expansion by introducing protections for civilians, particularly those in occupied territories. These changes were directly influenced by the atrocities committed during World War II, including those against civilians. The Fourth Geneva Convention explicitly prohibits using civilians as human shields and mandates protections regardless of nationality. Furthermore, the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols emphasize that these laws apply in all armed conflicts without distinction. This shift reflects a commitment to universal application and stronger enforcement mechanisms. Overall, the Geneva Conventions after World War II were updated to cover a wider range of protections, especially for civilians. They reinforce the principles of humane treatment in armed conflict. These changes form a foundational part of modern international humanitarian law, responding to the lessons learned from past conflicts.